Hi guys, we're gonna make banana bread today. I thought it would make a nice homemade present for Christmas. So in one bowl I've got 2 2/3 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm gonna whisk this together. I'm going to put that to the side, and in another bowl I have half a cup of salted butter that has been softened to room temperature. I've added 1 cup of granulated sugar to that. And now we're going to cream this together on medium speed till it's fluffy. Now I'm going to beat in 3 eggs one at a time until it's fluffy again. I'm going to stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I have 3 ripe bananas that I have mashed up, and 2 would work for the recipe also. And I'm going to alternately stir in the flour and then stir in the banana mixture. Okay, so I have my oven preheated to 325. I have greased the bottoms and the sides of a 9x5 bread loaf pan. And I put a piece of wax paper down on the bottom only, and I greased on top of that, and then I put my batter inside of that. We're gonna bake this in the oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes, and you want it to be like a golden color on top, and a toothpick in the center comes out clean. I pulled it out of the oven, so now I'm gonna let it cool on a wire rack in the pan for 10 minutes. So there's my banana bread. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching.